So we have a PS5 with the torn out internal fan. We've already deep cleaned it because that's why they were trying to open it. Then we're going to take care of this liquid metal displacement as well. When you get this back, play it vertical. Not vertical. Play it flat. Do not play it vertical. But yeah, we'll take care of that as well. Alright, so that's what we're up against. Alright, we gotta get some solder. And then we gotta put that connector back on. Get these people back to gaming. I'm recording. I'm recording. We need some more flux. Should be getting there. I feel like that side needs more work. Steve, how strong is your solder work? It's difficult to showcase the work, but that's one side. And that's the other side. Let's both drop the test. And it fits nicely. Alright, and we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you like what you see. Be sure to subscribe. We do have memberships now. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. New videos are generally released every Sunday. Thanks for viewing.